Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic today is about discounted operating cash flow and net present value. So we have initial investment and we have three selection of projects from A to C. Now we need to select which one should be the highest NPV. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one, we have NPV equals to negative initial investment then we need to add about the operation cash flow number one represent about the year number one over 1 plus R, and the second one we have OCF number 2 over 1 plus R to the power of 2, and so on until we have OCF n over 1 plus R to the power of n. So in this situation, I just select only 3 years from year number 1 to year number 3. Now we can apply this formula in here. So we calculate about net present value of project 8. So we have negative 10,000 initial investment in here. So because we need to use about discounted operating cash flow, so we have 5,000. We divide by 1 plus R, and the interest rate that is about 5%. And the next one we have 5,000. That is about year number 2. And we have 1 plus 5 to the power of 2. And the last one we have 5,000 over 1 plus 5% to the power of 3. So we calculate this one and we have 3,616.24. This is about the net present value of the project 8. Now let's go to B. So we have negative 10,000. That is about initial investment. So if we look carefully, that's only year number 2, and we have 15,000 we put in here. Because this is about year number 2, so we have 1 plus R to the power of 2, and that's about 5% in here. So we calculate this one and we have 3,605.44, and the last one we have negative 10,000. So in this situation we just have this one and this one. we have 3,389.48. Now after we calculate, and we can see that this one that is about the highest NPV, so we need to select about this project 8. That is the end. Thank you for watching.